Imagine you have a puzzle with thousands of pieces and you need to put them together to create a beautiful picture. That's what data can be like. Lots of little pieces that need to be assembled to make sense. Databricks is like your puzzle solving buddy that helps you to put all those pieces together. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are joining us for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out any of our exciting content. And also, I will suggest you to take up the Apache Spark training course if you are interested in this topic. The link is present in the description below. Now, let's start with the topic of our video, what is Databricks? But wait, before that, first we need to know who founded Databricks. Databricks was founded by the creators of Apache Spark, which is an open source distributed computing system. They founded the company in 2013 and it has since become a significant player in the big data and machine learning spaces. Some of the other important contributions from the founders are MLflow and Delta Lake. MLflow is an open source platform that manages the machine learning lifecycle, including experimentation, reproducibility, and deployment. It provides various components to streamline the end-to-end development process. While on the other hand, Delta Lake is an open source storage layer that brings reliability to data lakes. It works over your existing data and is fully compatible with APIs like Spark, Hive, and providing AC transactions using streaming and batch data processing. It provides the platform for data engineering, machine learning, and analytics. Now we have to see who all can use Databricks and why. First of all, we will start with data scientists. They use it for developing and training machine learning models, running data analysis, and visualizing results. And it provides a collaborative workspace integration with popular machine learning libraries and notebook-based programming environments. Second, we have data engineers. They use it for transforming and cleaning data, creating data pipelines, and optimizing data for analysis. It supports Apache Spark for big data processing and offers integration with various data resources and sinks. Third and the last one, we have data analysts. They use it for exploring data, creating visualizations, and dashboards. It also used for running ad hoc queries. It supports SQL, interactive notebooks, and wide array of visualization options. As we have already seen who all can use Databricks, let's start with the architecture part. The Data Lakehouse architecture is a unified platform that combines the best features of data lakes and data warehouses. It's built on three main layers. As you can see from the picture, the first layer is the bronze layer, the structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. The second one is silver layer. As you can see from the picture again, it is showing metadata and governance layer, that is the silver layer. And the third one is the golden layer. As you can see, they are mentioned BI, reports, data science, machine learning. That is the golden layer. So first we will start with the bronze layer. This is the raw data layer where data from various sources is ingested in its native format. It acts as a staging area for unprocessed data. Second, we have silver layer. Here, the raw data is cleaned, processed, and transformed into a more consumable format. It serves as a bridge between the raw and refined data, providing a clean version for analysis. The last one is the gold layer, the final layer where data is further aggregated and optimized for reporting and analytics. It offers a ready-to-use high-quality dataset for business users. Underpinning the architecture, the Delta Lake, which ensures reliability, performance, and security. It provides AC transactions and scalable metadata handling. Finally, it will be stored in a few of the famous cloud services like AWS and Azure. Now, we will move on to the implementation part. For that, first we have to discuss that Databricks has two divisions of platforms. First one is data engineering and the second one is machine learning. First, we'll start with the data engineering part. It integrates with Apache Spark, a leading open source computing system, allowing data engineers and scientists to perform complex data processing tasks. The platform's data engineering capabilities enable users to clean, transform, and analyze vast amounts of data efficiently. Users can work with various data sources, including relational databases, NoSQL stores, and cloud storage, seamlessly integrating them into their analytics workflows. And on the machine learning side, Databricks offers a collaborative environment where data scientists can build, train, and deploy machine learning models. By providing access to MLflow, a popular open source machine learning lifecycle tool, it enables tracking of experiments, model versioning, and streamlined deployment. The platform also supports a wide range of machine learning frameworks and libraries, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, that offers flexibility in model development. In both the platforms, we can create tables, notebooks, clusters, experiments, and models. So, we will start with the first one, which is creating the cluster part. So, what are clusters? Clusters in Databricks are groups of computers that work together to perform tasks. By creating clusters, we can distribute our computations across multiple machines. Creating a cluster in Databricks is quite simple. Let me show you how. First, you will need to log into your Databricks account. Click on the Clusters tab on the left hand side. Now, as you can see from the screen, you can create a cluster by clicking on the Create Cluster button. The first we will name, as I will be showing student database in this video. So I will be naming it as student database, and it is also asking for the runtime version. So basically the runtime version depends on the compatibility of your system, and larger the version, larger will be the data sets. As you can see, so the cluster has already been created, and you can also set the number of users which will be working in the clusters. Now let's start the collaborative part of the Databricks, which is the notebook. Let's create one. As you can see in the screen, the environment is already set up. We just need to put our code here. So for that, let me first paste the code here. Now, let's run the code. As usual, it's taking time as they're making a database for my input code, and they will arrange the student database as I have mentioned in the code. There are many options like new notebook or clone or export to DBC archive, which you can see from the screen. We can also share files by clicking on the export option. As programming languages are concerned, we have also options in programming languages like R, Scala, SQL. As per our need, we can use the programming languages to run our code. Now we will create tables, but as you can see, we have to choose data resources from the DBFS path or S3 or other resources in the options present in the screen. So what are the other resources? They are the resources like Kinesis, Cassandra, etc. and S3 as well as DBFS, which can be used to create the directory. Sometimes it happens that we have created a lot of clusters or notebooks, so the directory has been filled. So for that purpose, we can also delete few of them. As you can see from the screen, we just have to click on the clustered file and we can delete or clone it easily. So these are the few things you can start while using Databricks, and there are few more remarkable ones which we will be discussing in the next video. If you are interested in knowing those remarkable features, don't forget to comment your views. Until then, happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!